Hey guys, Pepper Kid here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my friends, and we are Gotcha Life, and we're being random today. There's a hair in my face. I'm fixing all my characters so you can see the enjoyment of the lag.
Wow, so much lag.
No, it's so true though.
I know.
Okay, so her theme is already black and pink.
Black and pink.
Her theme is black and pink.
Black and pink.
I think I like these shoes too much.
Wait, I'm gonna go to the thing. Let me see.
Ow!
Let me see.
Oh, I think I like these shoes way too much.
Oh my god.
Oh, by the way, not with each other in real life. We are on FaceTime.
Yeah, we're at FaceTime.
So it crashed on me.
Again. So much fun.
So fun.
So much.
Don't you just love it when a game crashes on you for no apparent reason?
Hi, I hate you. I got your life. Crash.
It's like the game has a mind of its own and it literally hates me.
Watch my laugh become a meme.
I have like 12 subscribers. How do you expect that to happen?
I don't know. They send it to their friends. I don't know.
Ow! Oh man, I have read with clothes.
I'm just looking for pictures of Bill Cipher.
I don't even am Gotcha anymore.
No.
Oh.
I mean, like, I can open it.
Yeah, I'm cringing right now. Oh no, it's gonna be bad.
My character looks like a slut. I want to change it.
I don't think they know I'm recording a video.
Oh no.
So, I can hear you.
Yeah, I don't really care because I'm really loud.
I can be louder.
You wanna go?
Yeah, I want
Whee!
I can hear you the whole time.
I just flipped my hair.
to go. Flip your hair.
Ow!
Are you on FaceTime?
Ah!
Heard this thing called King Humans. Wait, what? Heard this thing called humans twerking. Heard of this thing called twerking humans taught me? Oh god. I'm sorry.
This is too cheerful.
What should I call you?
Meow.
Meow? Okay, call me.
Meow,
then.
meow, 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 meow.
Hey, meow.
Huh.
Heard of this thing called twerking humans taught me? Exclamation point, question mark.
What's the what?
Heard of this thing called twerking humans taught me? Exclamation point, question mark.
Everybody's gonna wash her hair.
There's only one thing I can think of.
So pretty. On the bowl.
Oh god, I'm turning into Kayla.
Sure.
Guess what?
Great song.
Hey, I'm gonna put on some music on my TV.
Don't you just love it when someone's super sarcastic?
Yes, I have a friend like that. Well, we used to be friends. And then I see her this Diamond, what's wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. I turned the light on you. On. On. I'm still in my school uniform.
Oh, I'm in my pajamas.
I'm still in my school uniform. I have a skirt on.
You are still in your school uniform.
Let me turn on that light and then like turn off this light. See? Better. I'm still in my school uniform.
Yeah, she's still in school uniform.
Guess what?
What?
Click. BNHA memes.
Okay, but seriously, don't put on any music. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Don't put on music?
Don't put on music. I don't want to get. Don't put on any videos. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Well, just put the song that I put on in your description. Nikita, oh, serious moment.
It's copyright. Alright, I'm leaving you guys on a cliffhanger because I've only made one character. Because I am super smart. Bye!
Putting on music.
Bye.